Please subscribe to my channel and also make sure you press the bell icon to get the notifications of my future videos. Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video we will learn how to fix an issue with Steam where it says content file locked when you try to download an update for any game, or when you try to download any game from Steam. You get an error message that says content file locked. So in order to fix this problem, you need to open Steam and go to the library, and suppose that is the game you want to download updates for. Right click on that particular game and click on properties, and then click on local files and click on verify integrity of game files. It will take some time to complete the process, so just wait for it. And then once the process is complete, you can click on close and then close that window. If it is not working, then click on Steam at the top left corner and click on settings, click on downloads and click on clear download cache. Click OK. The Steam will be closed and you need to re-log in. So type your account name and password and log in again. And now try to download the update. If the problem is still not fixed, minimize the Steam. Type in the search box CMD. You will get command prompt app. Right click on it and then click on run as administrator. Click yes on user account control and type a command that is net sh space winsock space reset and press enter. You'll get a message successfully reset the Winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So close the command prompt and restart your computer. So once your computer restart, go back to Steam and try to download the update again. It should resolve your problem. In case all these things are not working, you can try blocking your security software and then try to update. It should work. And that's it in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel. Also make sure you press the bell icon to get the notifications of my future videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.